Good afternoon, second graders. Happy Sunday. I hope you guys had a great weekend and stayed cozy inside with all this rain. I certainly did. It was nice to just relax around the house and do some chores and get caught up on some stuff. So I hope you guys had a nice time as well. We are going to be starting this week, continuing with our math chapter 13 topic, which is counting money. And today's lesson for tomorrow morning will be 13-3, ways to show the same amount, okay? So we're going to be looking at different combinations of coins to show the exact same amount of money, okay? So we know the values of different coins and have learned how to find the value of collections of coins. That's what we've been doing last week. We have looked at different collections of coins and counted on to see how much there is in all. Today we're going to learn the value of $1 and make combinations of coins equal to $1. So let's start by reviewing our coins. We have a penny. This is what a penny looks like. It's worth 1 cent. Then next we have a nickel, worth 5 cents. Next, a dime, worth 10 cents. Then we jump up to the quarter, worth 25 cents. Next is a $50, worth 50 cents. And finally, we have this coin we haven't looked at yet. This gold coin here is called a dollar coin. And it's called a dollar coin because it's worth $1 or 100 cents. Penny, 1 cent. Nickel, 5 cents. Dime, 10 cents. Quarter, 25 cents. $50, 50 cents. Dollar coin, 100 cents or $1. We also have this here called a dollar bill. We know that sometimes people use paper money to pay for things at the store. The name for paper money is bills. A bill that equals 100 cents is a dollar bill. So this is a dollar bill, and you can see the amount here on each corner of the dollar bill, $1. We have our first president, George Washington, on our dollar bill. Okay, so we have a coin worth $1 and we have a bill worth $1, both equivalent to 100 cents. Let's get started with our video.
Look at the $1 bill. You can see the front and the back of it. There is a $1 coin, too. What is the value of the dollar bill?
We just talked about this when we reviewed our coins and dollars. A dollar bill has a value of $1. Now think about what I just told you. How much is $1 in cents? 100 cents. So a dollar bill is worth $1 or 100 cents.
It is worth $1. What is the value of the dollar coin?
Okay? They are worth the exact same amount of money. Notice that they're both called the dollar, but one is a bill, one is a coin. So a dollar coin is worth $1 or 100 cents.
It is also worth $1. Show $1 another way. What coins do you see?
Okay? Let's group them by the type of coin that they are. So the one that stands out to me first, because it's the highest in value for this collection and the largest in size as well, is the quarter. And we have 1, 2, 3 quarters. Then we have 2 dimes, and we have a nickel. So we have quarters, dimes, and a nickel.
There are 3 quarters, 2 dimes, and 1 nickel. Let's count on to find the value of the coins. Start with the quarters.
Remember, it's always a good idea to start with the highest value coin, okay? So in this collection, our highest value coin is the quarter. We have 3 of them. Quarters are worth how much? 25 cents. So we would go 25 plus another 25 is 50, plus another 25 is 75. Then we would move on to the dimes. So we have 25, 50, 75, plus 10 is 85, plus 10 is 95. And finally, we move on to the nickel. A nickel is worth 5 cents. 95 plus 5 is 100. 100 cents is called a dollar. So this collection of coins adds up to $1 or 100 cents.
25, 50, 75 cents. Now let's count on by dimes. 85, 95 cents. Now let's count on the nickel. 100 cents. $1 equals 100 cents. Could you trade these 6 coins for a dollar bill?
These 6 coins are worth 100 cents altogether. Is a dollar bill also worth 100 cents? Yes, so that is what we call equivalent or the same amount. We could trade these 6 coins for a dollar bill because that is 100 cents. They both are worth the same amount of money.
Yes, the 6 coins have a value of 100 cents. 100 cents is the same as $1. Write $1.
Okay. I don't have a way to show you here, but they will show you in just a moment. A dollar looks different than the cent symbol. You'll see.
To write $1, begin with the dollar sign. You write a decimal point to separate the dollar from the cents. This says $1.
Okay, so notice that when you are writing in dollars, your dollar symbol comes first. Remember that when you are writing in cents, your cent symbol, which sort of looks like a C with a line down the middle, comes at the end of the amount. So the dollar symbol comes first. Then you put how many dollars you have. Here we just have 1. And if you had any cents in addition to that, any coins with your dollar, then you would put that amount after this decimal point. So this shows $1. Dollar symbol, 1 decimal 00 to show 0 cents.
Now you know different ways to show and write $1.
Okay, so that was our quick little video. If you want extra practice and a little bit more detailed explanation, I encourage you to go on BrainPop. I sent your parents an email of how you're able to create an account and look up equivalent coins. This is a great video that gives you even further description of coins that equal the same amount. All right, and we are going to work on our reteaching page today. All right. The directions say a dollar bill is equal to 100 cents. There's our cent symbol. Notice that it comes after the amount of cents. Dollar symbols come first, cent symbols come after. Remember to use a dollar sign and decimal point when you write $1. Okay, so these are 3 different ways to show $1. We have a dollar bill, we have a dollar coin, which would be gold in real life, and we have 100 pennies. Remember, 1 penny is worth 1 cent, So if you wanted to have a dollar's worth of pennies, you would need 100. 100 pennies is 100 cents, which is the same as $1. Okay? So here they're showing 100 cents equals is the same as $1. They are just written differently. First, we have the cent symbol to show 100 cents, and next we have the dollar symbol to show $1. They're both the same amount, just written differently. Okay, circle coins to show $1. Write the number of coins. Okay, so here we have dimes. I want you to think about how much is one dime worth. One dime is worth 10 cents. So we can skip count by tens to get to 100 because remember, 100 cents is the same as $1. So let's skip count together. We'll start at 10 and we'll stop at 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So we're not going to circle all the dimes because we just want to show $1, 100 cents. That means we need to circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 dimes. $10, okay? And here in this box, I will write the number 10. 10 dimes equals $1, 100 cents. Okay, next we have quarters. How much are quarters worth? 25 cents. And when we started this topic, the very first lesson, we practiced our chant, our quarter chant to get to $1. And it goes 25, 50, 75, 100. So 4 quarters equals $1. Let's chant again together. Skip count by quarters. 25, 50, 75, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters in $1. $1 is 100 cents. 4 quarters is 100 cents. Four quarters equals $1. Okay. These are called half dollars. Okay. They're called half dollars because one is worth 50 cents or half of 100. 100 cents is $1. A half dollar is worth 50 cents. Think back to what you know about geometry, what you learned in geometry about the word half. How many halves make a whole? 2. So 2 half dollars would equal 1 whole dollar. 2 half dollars equals 100 cents because 50 plus 50 is 100. Once again, 50 cents plus 50 cents is 100 cents or $1. 2 half dollars equals $1. All right, and last one, number 4. What 2 coins will make this statement true? So we see we have 3 coins that they've provided for us here, and we need to come up with 2 more coins that when you add all of this up together, you will have $1. How much is $1 worth? 100 cents. Okay, so we need to come up with 2 more coins that will make this statement true. So we will have 100 cents in all, or $1. Let's see what we have here so far. I see a half dollar, a quarter, and a dime. Excuse me, guys. A half dollar, a quarter, and a dime. A half dollar is worth 50 cents. I'm going to write my amounts down here. 50 cents. A quarter is worth 25 cents. So let's think, if I add 50 plus 25, we'll give you a second to do the math. What are we going to have? What is 50 plus 25? What's a $1/2 plus a quarter? That will be 75 cents in all. 50 plus 25 is 75. And if you need to stack, that's totally fine. And then finally, what we have here is a dime worth 10 cents. So we need to think about what we will have if we add 75 plus 10. We have 75 cents so far plus 10 more. I'll give you a second. 75 plus 10 is 85 cents. Notice that the tens digit changed. We added one more 10. We had 7 tens, now we have 8 tens. 75 cents plus 10 is 85 cents. So I need to come up with 2 more coins to equal 100 cents in all, or $1. Okay? Just 2. So I need to figure out how much more I need to get to 100 cents. I am missing 15 cents. 85 cents plus 15 cents would give me 100 cents. 85 plus 15 is 100. Can you think of 2 coins that equal 15 cents? I'll give you a hint. One of those coins is worth 10 cents, and one of those coins is worth 5 cents. All right, it's a dime and a nickel. And I'm just going to put a D here for dime, and I'll put an N here for nickel, and then we'll do the math so you can see how I got to 100 cents. So far with my $1/2, my quarter, and my dime, I was at 85 cents. I needed 15 more cents to get to 100 because 85 plus 15 is 100. So I added a dime. A dime is worth 10 cents. $85 plus 10 would give me 95 cents. And then finally, I added a nickel because a nickel is worth 5 cents. And 95 plus 5 is 100. So, altogether, I have 100 cents or $1. Written 2 different ways, they both equal the same amount. 100 cents or $1. A $1/2, a quarter, 2 dimes, and a nickel make 100 cents. All right, guys, I hope this makes sense for you. Please let me know if you need any extra clarity. I will be happy to help, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on our Wednesday Zoom. Bye.